Hi guys, how are you all doing? So on the occasion of Women's Day, I have created this look which is more of sunset orange eyes and orange lips. I really like this look. I really like how this turned out. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, so please keep on watching. So starting off with a well moisturized face, this time I'm first moving towards my eyes because I'll be playing around with lot of colors. So if there will be any fallout, that will be helped later on. So first I'll be using this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer as a makeup eyeshadow base. So I'll be using that and blending it with the help of a beauty blender. Then later on setting with a Lakme compact powder. So setting my eye will ensure that everything is locked up, and this gives a smooth base later on for my eyeshadows colors. Now once I am done with this step, I directly move towards my eyeshadows. I'll be using this matte look palette. Look how beautiful this palette is. This is like a complete palette with a good size of mirror, and the colors are really good. First, I'm going to take this orange color with the help of a very big fluffy brush. I'm going to put that in the crease. I'm going to blend it all well. Then I'll be taking this another shade of orange color to intensify the crease later on. It gives a depth to the eyes. I am planning to create a sunset kind of look, which is more on an orange side. Then I'll be switching my brushes as I switch colors, guys, make sure. So my brushes are going intense as I am moving towards the steps. So the third brush is a pencil brush, and the third color is more darker than the second one. This is more on a maroonish side. I'm going to put that in the corner and on the lower waterline of my eyes. In order to give a little more depth with the same pencil brush, I'm going to take the black color and I am going to intensify the outer V and the crease area. I am not dragging the black color here and there. I'm ensuring that it is on the outer corner only, and I'll be blending that in the crease just to give my eyes a little bit of depth. So this is how I am going to achieve all the colors. So once I am done with this step, with the help of a flat brush and with the help of this sugar champagne shade highlighter. So this is a highlighter whose shade is champagne. I'm going to put that in the leftover eyelid area. This is a flat brush and I'm going to put that in the leftover eyelid area. So this gives a quite glittery plus a very different kind of a look. I really like this, how this whole look turned out. As of now, I'm leaving the eye thing. Later we will be completing that. Now we'll move towards my face. I'll first use this WOW 3-in-1 primer. This is a really good silicone based primer which is in budget. This costs only 250 rupees, I believe. And I'm going to take it on my fingers and I'm going to blend it, and I'm going to put that all around my face. Then I'll be using my foundation, which is the Lakme Invisible Foundation, and I'll be blending it all around with the help of a damp beauty blender. Now as of now, this gives a kind of very lightish finish, but later on it blends into your skin. I'll be using the same concealer under my eyes, and wherever I want to, wherever I have like black pigments or I want to hide, I'm using that Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer and I'm going to blend it. Once I'm done with all the blending, I am going to set everything in place. So I'll be using the same Lakme powder, compact powder, and I will be fixing everything out, ensuring my concealer is on the place and everything else is fully locked up. Now this step is completely optional if you have your skin on a very drier side, but if it is like normal to dry, then of course you can just set it up. Then I'll move towards my brows. I'll be using this Miss Claire brow pencil. I'm in the shade dark brown. With the help of this brush, first I'm going to comb my hair, and then I will be filling my brows as I normally do in vertical and horizontal strokes. I really like filling my brows. This is a really good thing which I learned just because of makeup. I'll be moving towards my eyes. I'm going to create a very small wing using this Nykaa Black Magic eyeliner. This is a liquid liner and I'm going to create a very small pink. Then I'll be using this nicka eyeliner, which can be used as a kajal as well. I'm going to put that in my lower waterline. I'm going to create a very thick and a dark intense waterline color to my eyes. This will really make my eyes look bigger. Then I'm going to use this MUA Boom Lash Mascara. I am new to this mascara, and this really separates my lashes and give me a very good volume. I'm going to use this on my lower and upper lashes. Once I am done with this step, I'll move towards the same same eyeshadow palette, and the same orange color which I put that in the transition color, I'm going to put that on my cheek area with a very gentle and light strokes. Then I'll be moving towards the same highlighter. I'm not doing any contouring this time. I'm going to use the same champagne shade with the help of a fan brush. I'm going to highlight my highest points of face, like the cheekbone area, bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow, or wherever I want the highlighting. Later on, with another blending fluffy brush, I'm going to highlight my eyebrow area and the inner duct area. So this is how the whole face makeup done. Moving towards my lips, first with the help of a matte look lip liner, I'm going to line my lips. This is in the shade orange, and I'm going to line my lips, and then with the help of a Johara lipstick. This is from the brand Johara, and my shade is squash orange, and I will be filling my lips up. Now this is a very good color. I really love the look turned out, and I really like how my eyes turned out. So this is how the whole look turned out. Just setting my hair, I usually do. So this is how the whole look turned out. You can just see, and I really love this look. I am surely gonna put this look on Women's Day, as I'm planning to go for a little bit of party with my girlfriends, and you can see that this is how the eyes look like. I really love it. So yeah, that is it for the whole look. If you want to recreate it, if you recreate it, do let me know in the comment section below. Post your pictures on social media, and don't forget to tag me. This is a very easy and affordable look. You can absolutely use any product which you have. So that is it for the video, guys. I shall meet you in my next one. Till then, you take care. God bless you. Bye bye.